Yes.
Right now I'm just gonna ask my girlfriend to hold the steering wheel straight. I'm gonna try to pull the whole steering rack out. It wouldn't be much of a struggle. Depends on how seized this universal joint there is. That was easy. So I have put the front wheels back, and as you can see they point sort of straight forward. I'm gonna track it once I'm gonna drop it on the ground by eye, but the steering wheel is upside down basically. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna Okay, so I put up coolant. Now the wiring for the fan. The blue one is power, the black one is the ground. On my old wiring, the red is a power and the blue one is a ground. So just need to make a connector. So now I'm just gonna solder them together.
Swagger.